Hello, today me and my friend are going to play Simple Box Lit 2. Very long name, but I've checked this game out for a little bit, and it's kind of like a Gmod game type thing, because you have all these items, and I just have items right now. I need to fix my options. Button 2 and button 3. Wait. Force 49. So now whenever I go into my car and there's buttons. No, I need to get off here. I've been looking through the menu and I found something really cool that I could do. Just get a bathtub, thrusters on it. Wait, and put force on it. To a lot. Wow.
Get in the bathroom started.
Yeah, if I even can. Never tried this. Oh, yeah, I can. Okay. Oh, that's back. Then here we go. We're in the bathtub. Where's it going?
You just flying out of there.
Whoa. Hi.
It's fine.
Where'd it go? Whatever. Oh, hover balls. That sounds cool. Really? Don't talk about balls. Weird.
You said hover balls.
Somebody mean balls. Balls, 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 balls. Everything's balls. Balls, balls. Shut up. Ball. Okay. Get my hover ball. So. It makes a noise. Now, if my logic is correct, I will just get on here.
And you will fly.
Oh,
Take off.
Is that down? Where is it?
It went into the ground.
Whee!
You're flying.
It works.
It works. It works.
I'm flying. I'm falling.
I'm taking it on my way.
Stop.
Oh.
No, it could be copyright.
You could have went into the sun.
No, it's impossible. There's a force field up there. 3 makes it go down fast.
It's coming. Just wait.
Yeah? Okay. Where's it now?
Into the ground. Down,
Oh, there it is.
Wow. Look how it landed.
I'm gonna see what happens if I go on top of it now.
Drive. It's probably gonna fly into the ground.
Happy birthday to the ground. This is very hard to get on.
I can do that.
No, you can't. Because you're not the person
Can they
playing.
see your face?
No. Oh!
I can't see my face because it's ugly. It's moving. Da, da, da. Shoot it.
I don't get this. Wait.
Put a dummy on it.
Ragdoll.
Whatever.
Aw.
Why is it naked? Seriously.
I don't know. People.
Huh?
No, it's just Prison Man.
I'm Prison Man, and I would. Can you kill him?
Not an ordinary prison man, a flying prison man.
Prison.
Don't judge me. It's an asteroid. It's a bird. It's a plane. Oh, it's a place. It's a prison man. Dead one.
Can you kill the dummies with the
Look at the table. It's sucking into the ground.
Happy birthday!
Bye. Whoa. Whoa. There's a table.
You're so scared. Why is there?
Whoa. Look at the... What?
No, what?
That's the car. I need to go get that. Oh no, that's the bathtub.
That's
Thought that was
the
a
car. That's the car. It's
Ma.
the bathtub.
That's the car.
Put balls on it.
Weird.
What?
Put balls on it.
Yeah. You just did.
Psycho.
I'm going on a trip in a favorite rocket ship. See me through the sky.
No, I'm not.
I mean, bathtub.
I'm not dying.
They lost, Jeffy.
No! Mayday, Mayday! We're going down. It's going down for me.
Mayday, Mayday. We're going down, Mike. We're going in for a landing. And then blows up. No. What the heck?
I have it with my thingamajigger.
Oh. Is that the things that you can move things with?
No.
Smash.
It's gone. Gone. Out of here. Out of this world.
Is that
there
the
it goes.
table?
Yeah, no, that's not the table.
Shoot it.
I can't reach. It's too high in the sky.
So that's called simple.
Simple box. Vehicle.
Simple
I'm
box.
gonna get
Light.
a... Oh! There's a pizza truck that fell on me. I don't like you. Pizza truck.
You still have fast on.
So?
You want it on?
I'll take it off. I'm gonna see what happens whenever I put on a lot of thrusters. Mega thrusters.
Is the video done yet?
No. Stop.
These look like salt and pepper shakers.
That's what she said. Okay, I think
Look
that's
at them,
good.
don't they?
Oh,
Whoa. Get in the car.
I am in the car.
We're going on a trip. Oh, I was being a clown.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Well, it's a flying pizza van. I like this game.
So do I. I'm getting it. It's downloading.
No, it's not.
I know. I have it.
I want to see a fork.
It's in my inventory.
No, it's
Why do you
not.
have a fork? Forks. Don't let pepper
Work.
salt.
Work. Whoa.
Where is it?
It just left me. In the arms of the
Evil crabs. Did you
Stop.
just stop it?
Stop saying weird stuff like that. I don't like that. And you ruined the crabs. That's stupid. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
No, don't leave me.
I wish I had Gary's book. Is there other weapons than those two?
There's no weapons in this game. Gracefully in the air. Like just a Titanic scene. Think of it. Just a fork and a spoon. Like falls off the Titanic. Meow. Falls into the...
What's that? A bowl of cherries.
That's cherries. All cherries.
Yep. There's banana. There's bananas in it.
My bowl of cherries don't like me.
Cherry don't like me.
There's not even cherries in there. Those are apples.
Whatever. Pineapples, coconuts.
You like nuts.
I said coconut.
You like nuts a lot.
I said coconuts.
Go to Landon's house if you want nuts.
Peanuts. I love your nuts. Those are good.
People are gonna think you're bisexual. I said nothing.
You mean boho?
I'm not. How am I mean?
Because you're boho.
Baho. Commentary of the day. You're baho. Baho. I'm guilty. Baho. Yeah. Make it rain buildings.
They're buildings. Oh my god.
What are they?
Buildings.
Look at them gracefully fall.
Why are they floating?
Because I spawned too many.
Splash, splash, I'm taking it back.
Brr, brr, brr. You're not playing Spider-Man. What is it?
I don't know.
No, you aren't. I farted. I guess this game doesn't really have much to it. I think that's good. I don't think I'm actually gonna play a little bit more of this because it's just this. But I think I'm gonna end it here, and I see you next time or something. I don't know. I'll probably make another video today. I don't edit because I have just a phone. I don't have a computer. I have nothing special. I'm poor. I'm lucky to have a house, but I'll